Welcome to TT's Corner. Today is Sunday, October 5th, and a few minutes ago I saw an article in the Jamaica Observer, and I want to bring it forth to my audience. I see the Love March movement is doing a vigil for American political activist who was recently killed in America. I personally believe killing someone is wrong, but I cannot fathom why are Jamaicans taking up this story and even presenting the person as a martyr. I have noticed over the years that Jamaica, there are some Jamaicans, as a matter of fact, are so obsessed with American ideology and and people in the media, and is trying so hard to be a part of things that have absolutely nothing to do with us. Our little island in the sun, there have been killings of adults and children, and I have yet to see the church vigils in the country. I have seen the killing of 9-year-old Kelsey, the rape and killing of 9-year-old Kelsey Farragon. Last August, the Cherry Tree Massacre. I have seen missing Tictoker DonnaLee Donaldson. Also, Melissa Silvera, who is alleged that her husband, Julian Silvera, former PNP MP, they said allegedly killed her. And most recently, Jamar Farquharson, who was killed by police. And I am yet to see a vigil for those people. So, Love March movement of Jamaica, why is it you cannot come out and have a vigil for your fellow Jamaicans? Because it seems to me that you do not think they earn your presence or your voice. But someone from another country who does, when he was alive, did not even acknowledge your existence or knew of your existence, you are willing to go on a limb for. Make that make sense to me. Make that make sense. So, my fellow Jamaicans, please let me know if you agree with me or not that the Love March movement is going beyond just to get noticed in the foreign press. That's how I see it. So, do you think I am out of bounds to be saying that? So, like, subscribe, comment, and share, because I really want to know what you guys think, because I value you guys' opinion. Thank you, and God bless.